Now is it recording? This is the hallway.
Where's the light?
Where's the lights? There's the bathroom light. This is the restroom. Shower. Woo. Shampoo. There's where they take a shit. There's a little froggy and something on the toilet. Beautiful decorations. There's a mirror. There's paintbrushes in the sink from where our dumb asses are painting. Are you painting? Push! Wait, I gotta go. Are you finished?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is Savannah.
What's up? Okay, go.
There's a little extra decoration. This is a freaking macaroni room. Dude,
My
it's awesome.
room is messy, but I just moved in here.
There's our little painting.
Might want to look at that.
It's all a big ass pile of clothes on the floor. Hey, that's mine.
No.
Let's see, there's this. This is a fucking, where's the light switch? Dude, there's Christmas presents and it's after Christmas. Bet y'all don't got this shit in y'all's house. This is a, it doesn't look the same. Dude, what color is this? Aquamarine, right?
Yeah.
It's an aquamarine.
I don't know. There's like two different
They missed a spot. It's not two different colors.
Yeah, it is.
It all looks fucking got green to me. Dude, I want to ride it.
Oh, there's one.
No, I don't want to ride it.
I'll ride it. Ready? Yeah, what is it?
It looks like a fucking four-wheeler.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go check out the kitchen. Dude, it's like cribs, but not cribs, because we're not rich. This is the kitchen.
Oh, it's my dog. Come on.
There's a little stove, some chickens.
I'm not big in the whole minute, but it's time to get them.
There's Savannah's dumbass. Can I go in your grandma's room? Can I go in your grandma's room? Is she awake?
She has something locked in the door so we can't open it.
What? Dude, she's doing the deed with herself.
She make you uncomfortable. I mean,
Here's
I'm
the
only
computer.
17 and
Dude, what if this chick saw it and was like, dude, that's my MySpace. There's curtains, dude. Aren't these just fucking lovely? boy, cause
You ain't gonna tie me down. Why you wanna
my profile's pretty nice.
I wanna go to school right now. What up right now? I think you need to close your mouth. You ain't gonna tie me down. Tie me down. Tie me down. You ain't gonna tie me down.
Kristen! I love you, buddy. Oh, let's go look at Brittany. She's so pretty. Don't fall in love with her because she's taken. She's taken by Kristen! Like, there's Brittany! Yeah, she's so pretty. Kristen is pretty. Listen, look at her eyes. About to go show her. About to go show her. Megan! I don't know if you guys can see that. She's pretty though. What does Megan have on her profile? Inappropriate, I say? I don't know, but let's find another. This is a ghetto ass fucking thing if we put this on fucking YouTube. Are we really gonna put this on YouTube?
Yeah. Stop it.
I don't want to. I'm still recording.
No, just stop it so you can make another video. That's gonna be too long. Nobody's gonna watch the whole fucking
Ho, it's only 7 minutes.
Nobody's gonna watch the whole fucking thing. Stop it.
How do I stop it?
Push the button.
Dude, are you dissing our fucking production line? Or our fucking movie? Stop
it.
What button? That is disgusting.